we're gonna be trading with this guy that's gonna join right here. It says appear offline, so yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you want to trade for?
What do you got to offer?
Whoa, red flashlight, that's great.
Red flashlight?
Yeah, it's red flashlight, pink, and small. This is pretty rare.
I can trade you a dragon pistol. You gonna trade dragon pistol?
You can trade something else?
Trade something else? Okay. What do I got? I can trade you some company stuff. Yeah, the pink ones are rare. You okay, bro?
Alright, so you want to put it in the bag?
Put it in a bag, sure. Look. Look, I'm gonna put it in the bag. See? I put it in the bag.
Nothing else? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any, like, red flashlights?
Like what flashlights?
Red. Do you have any of them?
I don't have any more. I traded mine.
Oh, you don't have?
No.
Oh, okay. You traded them? You said?
What again?
You said you traded them?
Yeah, already.
Oh, that's okay. Alright. You can get your thing. It's right in the bag. Nothing else.
Yeah. See? Mine. Put it in the bag.
Alright. You ready?
So yeah. 3, 2, 1.
I tricked you, bro. Alright. Drop.
Bro.
Alright. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, bro. Thank you.
Pink
You want to do
flashlight.
another trade?
Another trade, I don't think right now, but I was recording a video, so, since you didn't try to scam me, I'm gonna give you this. There you
go. I already have one of these, but thank you.
Yeah, take it.
You wanna know what I like to do? I just make it longer. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this glitch. And then this is gonna be even longer. Wait, where the hell is it? Oh my gosh!
Where you at?
Come up here. Bro, this grappler is
Yeah.
small as hell. This is like glitch.
Okay. Just put it in your stash now. Successful trade. I'm gonna go find more, even though I can't even see myself in the mirror. Bye.
Loud.
I bet none of you guys can catch me or kill.
Okay, you're friended? Okay, join me.
Wait, I just realized. Let me just.
Make sure I'm online. Yeah, I'm online. Yeah. Says he's...
Yo?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
What?
okay, it's time to delete the bot. Okay. Bro, I got banned from the code group.
Why?
Only because I entered the room. And they said don't enter. Bro, he wasn't even an admin, he was just a modder. Like he was modding.
Oh.
How about...
He's probably doing a giveaway of goop.
this and this. These two.
You gonna trade both of those?
Yeah,
Alright, sure. I'm gonna have to get
you're
a
not
bag.
a scammer, right?
No. Put this in.
Let me
your
also get a
bag.
bag. Yeah, also put your apple in the bag. Can I add one more item?
Sure.
I'm not a scammer, I can show you that it's still inside.
There's
You
a
ever been
chance
scammed
that you're
before?
literally. No, I can't trust you when you're doing
Look,
that.
look.
Okay, yeah.
Everything's still
That's
inside. Okay, drop
Now I
it.
can trust you.
Wait a sec, let me do something sec. I'm lagging. Sorry, wait a sec. Just
Hang on, let me
checking
see
if there's
something.
no one in the code.
Okay, so this is not
Okay.
claimed. This is not a claim code, so you can't.
Yeah.
So you can't.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, empty your bag. Okay, good. Come on. Ready?
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Nice. All right.
No
thank
problem. No problem.
You. Not a scammer. Oh, and since
Are you also
didn't,
trying to find scammers?
Yeah. But you wanna know something?
What?
Since you didn't scam me, I
Yeah,
can
I'm not
give you
scammer.
something.
I was a scammer back in the days, but
Here,
now
jiggly
I'm not.
dabbly.
Oh, it's wiggly! Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And it's Galaxy.
Why does that look so weird if you...
Yeah. Enjoy your item,
Wait,
bro.
you also want to catch scammers?
Yeah, I'm catching scammers.
Wait, no. I have a code for you that is not... Like, you can join... It's the code... Join the code WAAW.
Why?
Join it. Just join me.
No, just tell me.
Join me.
Tell me why.
Because I want to show you that if you're getting scammed, like, you could tell it to me. Because I get every data from that code. I get the data and prove it, and then I can report them.
And
And if
I'm
you
sorry,
want,
but
you
I
can
don't-
be an admin with
but
that
I
code.
can't. I'll do that probably later. Okay, bye.
Bye. Again?
Okay.
Oh,
Trading.
so what's trading again?
This little tiny pumpkin. Pumpkiny
Right.
do.
Drop free. Wait,
Put your item in the
let's
backpack.
check.
Look, see my pumpkin?
Right.
Put
Yeah,
it in the
wait.
backpack. Look,
It's a...
punkity do, punkity whoa, oh swoo, punkity swoo,
Where's
punkity
that
do, punkity woo. Okay. Make sure it's. I want to see if it's in the backpack.
Wait, I'll check. Yeah, it's in.
Okay, open the backpack and show me. Okay. Now I know.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
2. Oh, thank you
so
so
what's
much, bro.
new? Caught you.
I've been wanting a demon sword for so long, and since you gave me a demon sword, I'm gonna give you zombie crate. This gray zombie crate.
Okay.
Take it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll double trade. Wait,
I'll put that in my demon
do you want to
sword
trade a
box.
small
I have so much
baby?
demon swords.
It's
What
more
again?
Pikachu like baby.
Sure.
Okay, put it in the back. I'll check.
Trade that also. Let me see what I can trade. Anyways, that's the end. Bye bye.